tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know.
All right, guys. So we are finally leaving town. I decided to break out a little bit, go for a ride today, and our final destination, we'll get to that in another video, so keep watching. But anyway, I figured I'll put the camera on again. By the way, to the left there you have SM, I think it's Telebastagen, and a popular place. I have done a couple of videos in there. But today we're going to take you on the ride through San Fernando, and we are going to head out and go down towards Bataan. We're not going all the way there, but that'll be for another video, so we'll do that. This mall, I'm telling you, it's a long one. You know, going on a motorcycle, it takes a minute or two to get from one side to the other. So traffic is pretty intense. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you know, this was just like a spur of the moment thing we decided to do, and go and visit with some friend, see some country, and get some fresh air. I'm a little amazed actually how much traffic it is. We were just talking about that, and you know, this is pre-pizza time of March of last year, and it looks like it's pretty much normal at this point. Matter of fact, I've gone down this road many times, and I've never seen it this clogged up. There you see another trike, and that's another thing here. I just wonder why people stick out their nose. They're making U-turns. They're making right-hand turns from the far left lane. It's just, traffic is just something that is hard to get used to here. But I'm learning. I haven't had any major incidents yet, so that's a good thing. And you got to watch up. You see the guy coming there. Here's a bicycle, motorcycle. There you come, on the wrong side of the road. You know, pedestrians and steps out sometimes. I'm wondering what they're thinking. Who's going to win the fight? If you hit a bike or a car. But that's the way this country is when it comes to traffic culture. I think it comes down to traffic enforcement. You know, stuff that I see here, I've gotten tickets for doing back home, so it's kind of funny. But anyway, these tree alleys are pretty nice. And we had some in Angeles coming into San Fernando. And I was talking about the tree alleys, guys. And unfortunately, when they widen the roads, these nice shades and trees, some of them probably 50, 100 or more years, they have to go to widen the roads. The population in this area has kind of really grown over the last few years, and nature suffers due to human population expansion, I guess I could say. But as long as they're there, they're pretty. Gives you shade when you drive, and it's a nice road. We're about to come in here to the kind of business district of San Fernando, and obviously we are riding MacArthur Highway. Stretches all the way into Manila, and I think it goes as far north as Baguio. So it's a road you can travel for hours and hours. We wanted to get on the bike and go to Baguio. Obviously that has not happened this year, and hopefully it could happen 2021. If not then, 22 or 23. But we hope to be down in Samar by then for sure. There's another guy sticking his head out. It just happens. All right, so we are kind of now more in a business district of San Fernando, still on MacArthur, and you know, there's activities all over the place. Traffic is still pretty jammed up. I don't know why it is like that. I mean, it's what, Tuesday afternoon, and it shouldn't be like that, but it is. I was kind of afraid it would start to rain, but so far you guys can see it's pretty cloudy. And I hope the video comes out okay. I am at a position where I really want to get another camera, but I've been holding off. I'm gonna get a drone. I'm gonna get a camera or a couple of cameras. So, but I've been holding off because of the pandemic. You don't need a drone if you need to fly around in your living room. So we'll see how it goes here over the next few months. And man, this guy is about, in the white car here, is about trying to make a U-turn from the right hand lane, crossing 3 lanes, and then probably interfering with traffic in the other oncoming lanes as well. Oh boy. We pretty much got lucky on the traffic lights today. Once we get a little further down the road here, we're gonna head up on what's called La Satin Boulevard. I think it is, but I'm not 100% sure. We shall see. But I think it's La Satin Boulevard. And La Satin Boulevard actually takes us kind of towards the older district of San Fernando and downtown. San Fernando is a place we haven't really got here too much, but there is a lot of things to see, some historical stuff and a few other things. And yeah, by the way, I just 2 months ago I came down here with Ryan, and we did a little walkthrough at the train station. All right, looks like traffic is easing up a little bit, and Telebastagan. All right, that is the white car we just passed is part of the reason for the hold up. Look at these people, man. They don't wait, they just go. And here he comes again, the sirens. See the car? Has flowers on top, and it is a funeral cortege or whatever you call it. So that's the reason for the traffic here. They've been going slow. They normally don't drive that fast. The sirens are on, and that we got to live with. We're almost now coming down on La Satin Boulevard. I see some stalls here that are closed to, but most of them looks like they're open, and a lot of activity is ongoing. All right, I think next intersection here is the famous Lasatin Boulevard right here. And MacArthur continues straight ahead, and eventually if you go there you reach Manila. So that's now not our destination today. We are heading what do you say? Yeah, we're heading west once we get down to the end of Lasatin Boulevard here today. Then we're going to head west and continue our journey. But I am going to say bye on this little video, and thank you guys for riding with us. Don't miss our Sunday morning 9:15 a.m. live feed. You're welcome to join us, and that would be 8:15 Saturday p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we'll see you then for sure, and we will continue our journey, and you'll probably get the next video tomorrow, and we go from there, guys. God bless you and have fun. Thank you.
No, honey, I ain't been your stepping stone, my darling. Oh, oh, oh. I hear you need my love, but it just ain't here no more, no more, no more.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.